Hey, what's up? My name is Yen. The video you're watching right now was shot on the iPhone 13 Pro, but I feel like I'm a little ahead of myself. Let's go back, shall we?
I was a fan of reruns and old movies. It's silly, but it's true for me. Oh, I needed to be sure of how the story ends. It's easy for me to stay right where it's safe and sound, where I can turn the volume down.
Alright you guys, I'm finally back. It's been a while. Life has been absolutely crazy lately. But today we're taking a look at the iPhone 13 Pro. Kind of my first impressions slash mini review slash unboxing. Which, by the way, is actually really cool this year. They got rid of that crispy plastic on the outside of the box, which is a little unfortunate for ASMR reasons. That part is still there though, and less waste is better, right? Still no charger in the box, only the cable and a bunch of paperwork. This year we have a new high refresh display called ProMotion, just like in the iPad Pros. Makes scrolling and everything super fast. We've been waiting for this for a very long time. And you might have already noticed the notch is actually quite a bit smaller this year, which is awesome, especially for the mini iPhone. But for the rest of the iPhones, Apple doesn't really do anything productive with that extra space. Apple says the battery life on the iPhone 13s are supposed to be at least 2.5 hours better, but I'll have to test just how long the battery lasts and report my findings in my full review. Let me cut in here real quick. Be sure to leave a like on this video. That actually makes a difference. You don't have to. Only if you want to. Thanks though. If you're getting one of these on launch day, you might want to speed through the setup process really quickly, because there's an issue with the first build of iOS 15 on these devices, where if you try to restore from your old device to the new device, not everything transferred over. Things like your Apple Music songs and your widgets were just not transferred over. So Apple pushed a patch through their software update system. It'll still say iOS 15, but it's a new version that fixes these issues. While I'm updating the software, let me just give a quick word about our sponsor, Casetify. Check out these Crush cases from Casetify. These look absolutely sick. The Crush series is actually a new line of cases by Casetify. They have these extra rubber bumpers on the side, and they're designed to protect your iPhone from drops up to 10 feet. They also have an antimicrobial coating on the back. It helps you defend against bacteria building up on your phone by preventing them from growing in the first place. You can design these cases to be anything you want. You can put your own personal photographs on there, choose the style that you like. They're made out of 65% recycled plant-based materials. Now this does not actually compromise the integrity of the case, and it's saved my butt many a times. You can get them with MagSafe built in, so if you want to use MagSafe accessories, they're compatible. There's a special 15% off deal for my subscribers. Just go to casetify.com/yenz. Alright, my iPhone is updated. Let's continue with video. And let me bring over my iPhone 12. The first thing that I noticed about this was just how massive that camera bump is. I mean, just look at that. And that's because the cameras were all redesigned this year, with the most notable new feature being cinematic mode for video. Alright you guys, we are now recording on the iPhone 13 Pro using cinematic mode. Let me know what you guys think. The background should be blurred out behind me. Should have found my face automatically. If not, I could actually adjust this in post-production, which I think is the coolest thing. So for example, if I'm filming myself and there's nobody to operate the camera to pull focus, normally a video would just be stuck like this. But if I adjust it in post, then see the background, you'll see me, or maybe it automatically goes to her, I'm not sure. Come here. Alright, coming at you from behind this bush. This is filmed using the new telephoto lens, which is now 3 times optical zoom instead of 2 times on the previous iPhones. So as a result, I have to stand much further away from the camera to get similar framing. So I'm not sure how practical it is for real life situations where maybe you don't always have that space, but just for reference, this is about where I was earlier. Hi dog. This is about where I was earlier for the wide shot. So yeah, it's quite a bit telephoto. Alright, last but not least, we have cinematic mode on the front-facing camera. This is probably the one you might use if you're going to be vlogging on this phone. It actually looks pretty good. Like, it's not really messing up my hair in this shot as much as it was the other two shots. I do wish the wide camera was a little bit wider. Like, if they made it like the ultra-wide lens, but on the front, like they did on the iPads, I wish they really did that. That would have really helped this phone be a vlogging machine. Ooh, look at that. Hold on, go back. Oh yeah, I like that light flare. Anyway, I gotta say, I'm actually really liking the cinematic mode for vlogging. Like, this is not a bad image. And I'm just having more fun than I would if I just took my big old camera out. No matter how small the lenses are, the cameras are still kind of bulky. Besides, if you're talking to a phone, it's like, it's not as weird, you know? I think what I'm gonna do is take the iPhone 13 mini and try to do a full vlog on it and see just how it turns out. See that? That is the UPS truck. By the way, if you're not subscribed yet, I highly recommend it because I have a lot of iPhone 13 content coming up. I am planning on shooting an entire vlog on the iPhone 13 mini. Speaking of which, the UPS guy is finally here, and I think that's the iPhone 13 mini. The UPS guy is finally here, and I think that's the iPhone 13 mini. All right, it's showtime.